We bought this property in 2000. It was basically very heavily forested. Bought it from a friend of mine, 11 acres. We designed a 2,200 square foot house in a craftsman style with a separate 28 by 52 foot barn. We use Cunningham for cameras, for all, carbon monoxide, temperature, low temp, high temp, smoke, all of that. As I was getting close to retirement, one of my clients asked me to sort of help manage their property. I called Cunningham and talked to Michael Major. I was just so impressed by what he was saying. And I can give you an example that is particularly important, and that is the companies that we have worked with over the years do a thing called pinging the house, which means they test to see whether the house is responding to their monitoring center. Many of the companies, the ones that we had worked with, ping once a month. Cunningham does it once a day, and that's just part of their service. It's more expensive for them to do that, but it's obviously much more robust. So I asked him, I said, I'm so impressed with how you're monitoring and what I hear. Do you guys monitor, remotely away from Maine? And he's like, oh, yes, of course we can. And not only is it good, it's seamless. Cunningham works with local companies wherever they are to make sure the hardware is installed properly, and any maintenance that's done is done locally. Cunningham integrates alarm.com and helps me migrate all the different houses into that one operating application. So I have all these houses, 5 houses, in my phone. I can access arming, disarming, who gets in, who gets out. I mean, it's just been absolutely great. I can say that you're only as good as the people that you have working with you. I don't know where they find them, but Cunningham always has the best people, period. If one person does leave and another person takes that position, they are just as good, and it's wonderful.